Emily, what are you doing? We're on our last hotel, and then we go home tomorrow. And you got yourself in the refrigerator of the hotel, the little mini fridge? Yeah? You trying to get yourself in the fridge? Good thing it's not turned on. Be cold in there. Come on, please. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? Please don't break anything. Emily? What are you doing? What are you doing? Babies don't belong in mini fridges. Yeah. Come on.